All right, welcome to the shop again. We are going to unbox something new, something that I'm not used to fly, and also I'm using a new microphone, so now my voice is going to, hopefully going to feel or sound clearer. I just received this package. It's very well protected, a lot of tape. Let's see what we have inside. All right, lot of protection. Right, tape everywhere. Okay. Very strong box. Oh, wow, more. Another box inside the box. This box is quite heavy, around maybe 4 kilo. I don't know if it is upside down or what. I think it's upside down. The box is very tight. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Wow, the box itself is very heavy. This part is not so heavy. The box was really heavy. All right, here we go. First, let's remove the tape. Have some things. We have some shark teeth. Separation box, empty. All right. What we have here, let's see. All right. Look at this. All right. What it looks like. This is an AH64 Apache. Not the longbow. This is the thing. Is the D version. Need to see the exhaust. Whoever knows me, they know that I'm not a heli guy, but when I finally decided to go for a heli, I decided to go for a, of course, a fighter heli. I don't like 3D helis or civilian helis, except maybe the Hughes. And this one, it's a nice heli. Nice scale. Look at this. Wow. You can see that this is a complete kit, right? because there's nothing here. It's all empty. We have just the landing gear and the camera installed and the tail rotor. There's his own brushless motor there. So this is going to be a interesting and long build. Look at this. The helicopter may measure around 1.1 meter, something like that. Really nice. Okay, what else we have? Seems like we have more stuff around here. Where is the? I lost the cutter. I don't know where you put the cutter. Right? Oh, here. We have many things here. We have the elevator, scale details, the gun, more details, the tail wheel. It's very strange because these guys say that they were supposed to assemble this one, test it, and then send it. More pieces for the gun. Oh, this is the elevator. This one is the missile pods, right? Elevator. What else? Okay, these are the engine nacelles, and you can see because of the design, this is not a long bow. Probably this one is an A or B model. Okay. What is this? Oh, the invoice and the instruction manual. All the this is mostly the setup. There's nothing about how to build it, just the setup. This is interesting. No instructions for the building, at least in this box. Right. So this one, this is the. Let's take a look at the fuselage. Fuselage is fiberglass, very light, lot of details. Let's look at the cockpit. It doesn't look that I was never installed anything here. Here we can see the battery tray. Where all the motor is going to be installed. The connector for the tail rotor. It's nice. No scale cockpit in this one. I was expecting to have a scale cockpit. All right. Now let's go for the other box. Wow. I assume this is the top. Okay. Okay. All the pieces are being glued. Let's hope I open it in the right position. Okay, here we go. All right, what we have here? Another box. Wow. Rockets, bombs. Mysterious box. Maybe something here. Ah, these are the pods for the missiles, I assume. More missile pods. Here we have a lot of wires, something that looks like a flat wire with a USB connector. Maybe this is to program the gyro. Okay. Here we have the 4 blades. Yeah. Well, I assume here we have all the electronics. It seems they made these boxes by themselves. It's not the standard size boxes. They're all just made up with pieces of cardboard and these joiners. Very tedious to open. A lot of hot glue. Well, at least it's well protected, right? This is a box that is coming by sea. Now, is the opening of this one? Cannot tell. Wow, so much tape to cut. There's no, here on top. All right. Okay. Here we go. Okay. All right. So a lot of stuff here. Okay, this is the heart of the heli. You have the rotor head, servo for the rotor head and a servo for the collective, the motor, ESC. I think this one should be the gyro probably. Ah, no, this is the gyro. This is the controller, flight controller. This is the GPS. So it seems like this is everything that goes inside the heli. And well, okay. It's a little bit crazy of me to start helis too late inside the hobby, but at some point I had to start with something. Of course, I'm going to practice with a much more simpler and cheaper helicopter, but this is going to be my project probably for the next 3 months, 4 months. The good thing is that this one comes all assembled. Last time I started my Align 450, but it was all disassembled and it was crazy. So actually I sold that helicopter before finishing it. So this is the Apache, a Attack Helicopter 64 Apache. It looks really nice. This helicopter has a GPS, so it can hold the position. It has a 6-axis gyro, so it is known to fly very well. I saw it before buying it, and I'm going to be building this one and enjoying the build because I like scale planes, I like scale fighters, and this is going to be a very nice helicopter. Thank you very much for watching. Stay connected, please subscribe. We are going to show the different stages of the building of this model. It's not only assembly. I will have to do building. I will have to find a way to get a scale cockpit, and that's it. See you soon, and thanks for watching, and enjoy the weekend. Thanks.